Namaste, friends. The devotee has been making steady progress. He is taking all the necessary steps to reach God communion. But is this path easy to tread? No, it is not. Because we all as human beings are born into this state of avidya or delusion that is again created by God to test us, to test our resolve, to test our sincerity in making those efforts to reach God communion. And if the devotee is not conscious of the Maya that exists, the Maya which makes us blind in our craving for material happiness, the Maya which is making us passionately involved in relationships which are transitory in nature, and it draws all our energy, it keeps us invested in what is transient, what is short lived, and what is momentary, and consistently keeps us away from God communion, from making that sincere effort to attain God communion. So, if the devotee is not mindful of all that is available to his senses, all the stimuli that are there, he might fall prey to it, and that is not expected of a true devotee who has resolved to attain God communion. So we have to ignite the devotee in each of us to be mindful, to see that the Maya has a purpose, but we also have a choice that what we choose to pursue in our lives. If we are not aware of this component of choice that we have, we get into a vicious cycle of running after Maya and deluded and resulting in endless birth and death, which is just a sheer waste of the opportunity that we have of being born as a human who has this choice to either choose Maya or to choose God. And if he has chosen God, then there is no purpose of Maya. That does not mean we run away from this worldly life. That just means that we are supremely conscious of the essential nature of Maya. We are conscious of the pitfalls of falling into Maya, and we keep our focus only on the Brahma whom we want to satisfy by showing that how much ever dream world that you have created for us, I am not going to fall prey for it, and I am going to only pursue you. It is sheer entertainment for God to see that He has made this maze where He has put levels of difficulty, and if we are clear in knowing that this is a test and I have to pass it, if I have to please my God, then I will not fall prey to that maze. I will tactfully handle it in a graceful manner, and whatever is the level of difficulty, I will win over it. I will surpass it. I will reach my ultimate goal, which is God communion. So I honestly and sincerely pray to God that He ignites this fire within us, the fire of love for God, so that it burns away all the delusion that we all have within us, and we can see the ultimate goal of our life clearly and work towards it.